everybody, I'm Scott.
And Kendra.
And we're here with gurumediaproductions. We're doing an impromptu unboxing that Kendra had no idea was going to happen tonight. So, excitement. Now, this just came to us from Sideshow, so we're very excited about opening this up. Kind of big. Yeah. Definitely not a figure, but anything from them is always kick-ass. So, we're going to do an unboxing for you. We're going to try opening this up. I always like to save the original box, but that's me. I'm a pack rat. Got it? Alright. Ouch. Here's the watch. Let's pick this up now. Alright. So Sideshow's been releasing the DC Comics premium figure format figures for a little while. Wonder Woman was a huge one, which we happen to have sitting over there, which is kick-ass. They started releasing premium format prints to coincide with them. This one looks like it's number 261. I believe on this particular one it's out of 600. However, I'm the only one who knows particularly what's in here except for the people at Sideshow. So
yeah, it's a surprise for me, actually, so I'm excited.
We're going to cut it open together. So hopefully we do this right, because obviously we've got one shot at this. I'm going to let you do the honors, dear. You're going to be able to pull it out, okay?
Oh my goodness. Oh! Batgirl.
Yes, it's the Batgirl Birds of Prey premium format print to coincide with the actual figure that they have. So this is number 261 of 600.
I love all the DC heroines. They're so amazing, all of them.
I should open them up so we can see. Let's see what this looks like. So we can sure our box really. Can you get up?
Yep. And Sideshow does a great job of shipping these. You have an inner cardboard piece, obviously, that is shipped in, and then they bubble wrap it wonderfully. And we also have the Wonder Woman print. I'll include the link to that unboxing as well. And that one shipped here in perfect condition as well.
Even though the UPS driver today said, hey, you may want to check it out because something fell into it.
Oh.
But he tends to do that too. So yeah, everything that we've gotten from Sideshow Collections, the shipping is just magnificent. Sometimes the outer shipping carton takes a little bit of damage to it, but everything internally is just great. So we really appreciate, them keeping our investments safe.
Yeah. Yes, and it also has cardboard corner protectors. And this one has been framed and matted as well.
Do they offer with or without framing options? You can do just the print itself, a white frame or a black. I'm a fan of the black myself.
I do like the black,
I'm horrible at doing stuff like this, so I figured we'd pay Sideshow to take care of it for us, and they just did an outstanding job on this. We will eventually get this up onto the wall. We've got to figure out the perfect place for it.
Oh wow, it's really beautiful.
It's just absolutely fantastic. It's beautiful. Got the nice purple accent on the trim. We can get you some close-up pictures. And then on the back, standard wire hanger. It looks like the numbering is actually outstanding. So we'll show you in detail then. We got the artist signature here, and then it's number 261 of 600. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to butcher the artist's name, so we'll put it in a little bit.
Okay.
And that's it. So hope you love it, babe.
Yes, I do. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to hang it with my Wonder Woman print as well.
All right, we'll see you on our next unboxing or some kind of video log, whatever we're up to. Take care, everybody. Thank you.
Take care.
Please subscribe. Click on our links below.
Debuting a new DC Comics premium art print series from pinup artist Stanley Archer Wow. Sideshow Collectibles is proud to present Batgirl, Birds of Prey. This 18 by 24 hand-numbered limited edition art print features a digital artist signature and embossed seal of authenticity, and it is a perfect addition to display alongside Sideshow's Batgirl premium format figure.